In the heart of Dubai lies a mansion that redefines luxury and opulence. Spanning over 60,000 square feet, this architectural marvel boasts a design that seamlessly blends traditional Arabian aesthetics with ultra-modern innovations. Every corner of the mansion is adorned with exquisite materials, from gold leaf ceilings to marble floors imported from Italy. The grand entrance features an impressive waterfall, leading you into a breathtaking atrium filled with natural light. The mansion has multiple entertainment areas, including a private cinema that can seat 20 guests and a game room equipped with the latest technology. Outdoor living is just as spectacular, with a sprawling infinity pool that overlooks the stunning skyline of Dubai. The garden is meticulously landscaped, providing serene spaces to relax. Each of the 10 bedrooms is a sanctuary of comfort, complete with ensuite bathrooms featuring spa-like amenities. A private gym and a wellness area ensure that health and fitness are easily accessible. In addition, the mansion is equipped with smart home technology, allowing residents to control everything from lighting to security at the touch of a button. This mansion isn't just a home, it's a statement of wealth and a haven of luxury.